Good afternoon guys. In this video I am going to show you how to block or lock the first column in your Excel. Well guys, in this video also I will show you how to block or freeze your column. So to block or freeze your column, as usual you have to go to your reviews, then you go to freeze and you say the freeze first column. So now if you see that my first column is already blocked or freezed, it will not move. Now if I move this, only these are moving, these are not moving. So it means that first column is already freezed or blocked. So if you want to do it, unblock it or unfreeze it, again you just go to unfreeze pans, you click that, you will see now this first column will again move. So that's it. So that's how easy it is to freeze your column or freeze your rows as you want. So that's it guys. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and if you have any kind of comments or anything, please leave below. Thank you.